We're going to take a look at this week's discussion board, which is all about home ownership. So in this discussion board, you're going to find a home that was posted within the last 14 days. So Zillow, Realtor.com, either of those, and you're going to share with us that home. So give us the link to the home. Then you're going to use your spreadsheet from the Live Binder to calculate the interest you would pay if you financed it over 30 years. And at the current interest rate. And if you're not sure what the current interest rates are, a quick Google of mortgage interest rates will give you an idea. You're going to use the calculations that you do to answer the questions, giving the total cost, meaning the cost of the house and the cost of the insurance. So, I mean, the interest. So, cost plus insurance. Is homeownership realistic for an average person? And that can vary depending on your location, profession. So, kind of keep in mind what you're looking at. What is the mortgage payment? Is it reasonable? Obviously, if you pick a mansion as your house, it's going to be a lot less realistic for an average person. So if you do pick something that's really, really expensive, just know that that's going to skew your answers to these questions. And then there's good points about what can the government do to kind of reduce barriers. And some of that might be as simple as interest rate breaks, kind of like we had a couple years ago with COVID. Then you're going to use your classmates' information on their post, and you're going to calculate the interest paid if you did 15 years instead of 30. You should notice there's some distinct advantages to 15 years. However, it is, of course, going to drive your monthly payment up. So take a look at those calculations and figure out, is the monthly payment increase worth it for what you're looking at with paying over the course of your mortgage, or is it not quite worth it? And then last, you're going to find any post that you find interesting and join the conversation to talk about mortgages. So you could add on to their information. You may want to share what houses are going for in your market. You may want to share tips to pay your mortgage off faster. You could share tips on where to find cheaper mortgage insurance. Any of those types of topics, you can just add to the conversation in your third post.